Hi and welcome back to the channel. First of all, thanks so much for all your positive feedback, your comments, your likes, your interaction, your helpful tips in repairing those machines I repaired in the previous videos. I'm very happy and very glad to have such a great community around me. Charlie Horn, one of the guys of the community, asked me if I could do a room tour, and I said, yeah, sure I can. And turns out that could be actually a series of videos, and I'm planning to split those videos into chunks of computers. And my idea is to go with the C64 VIC-20 machines I have, then over to the Amstrad 464, which was my second machine after the C64, then to the Amiga 500, and then over to the Checkmate A1500, which I bought from Stephen Jones, the case, and put in an Amiga and some expansions and extensions and accelerator cards and stuff like that. So we will take a look at that. Then my fourth machine as a kid, not really a kid, by then I guess I was 16, was 286 12 megahertz PC, no-name brand, self-built thing. So I have some IBM machines around here, so I will show off these. Then I have some Apple machines, Apple IIe, a Macintosh SE, Macintosh LC2, and some iMacs. We will take a look at these. Then we will have the Atari ST, which I never owned as a kid, but a good friend of mine had this machine, and we always played Dungeon Master, which I still have as an original for the Atari ST. Then there will be the consoles. As a kid I wasn't a big console player, so I was more of a computer kid, but I did own actually all the popular 8-bit and 16-bit consoles for a while, and more or less switched them out with the mini versions. So we will have a look at the minis. We will have a look at the book, The Consoles, which is a nice book. We will have a look at the Mister. I have a Mister standing around here, which you sometimes see in the corner of a video. There's a screen on top which says Amiga. And then we will take a look at my earlier projects. I have done an arcade machine. I have turned a mini black and white TV into a gaming console and stuff like that. Then I could show you some of the monitors and peripherals and games I have lying around here. We could do a little Pico 8 programming tutorial to maybe create an 8-bit game. For those who don't know Pico 8, Pico 8 is a very small programming language or game design environment which features a sprite editor, sound editor, music editor, and a very simple coding with the Lua scripting language. And we could actually, I guess, code a game in 4 to 5 hours with nice little sprites, sound, some 8-bit stuff, maybe do Pitfall or Boulder Dash or something like this. Then I could show you some of my own books, which I wrote in the 90s, which are about C, C++, and Java programming. I actually did the first German book on Java programming back when Java, the programming language, was still called Oak. And that was quite popular. I could show you these books. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I recently ordered this here, The Art of Electronics, which is, I guess, considered the Bible of electronics. We could take a look at this. It's a pretty hefty book, and since I'm doing this channel now, I will step up my game in terms of electronics a little. I'm a software guy by trade, so I do plan to get more into the electronic stuff, because as a kid, I did write computer games when I was 12, and I never got the chance to do electronics properly. So this is kind of my making up for this. And I learn by doing and by failing and by watching other YouTubers like Adrian Black or Noel from Noel's Retro Lab, to name just a few. So Jan Beta, of course, which is here in Germany. And yeah, so if you would like to see anything of this, just leave me a comment down below and tell me what you would like to see first. My idea would be to go with the C64s. I have some of them. First, I did actually also build the what's it called again? Is it called the 69 clone? No. It's not called the 69 clone. Is it called the 69 clone? No, couldn't be that. Okay, so it's a replica board and for the C64, and it's called 60 clone, not 69 clone. But still, I built this with my son, and it took me 18 days to bug fix it. Actually, it wasn't defective at all. Just the chips died while I was testing it, and that was a very interesting experience. So I could tell you about that. Yeah. So I guess this is pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to announce that I will do a room tour, but I will do it a little differently than most other YouTubers. And as I said, leave me a note if you would like to see this. Leave me a note what you would like to see first. Okay, so this is this for this video. Just a short intro to the room. You can see some of this stuff. No, actually you can't. The only thing you can see are some of the games that are there. And there's Maniac Mansion for the Nintendo, not the best version, but the only one I have right now. And there's the Death Star. Yeah, so I think that's it. This is Retro is Your New Black. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.